How to download TikTok on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can download your TikTok application on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just make sure you head over to your Microsoft Store, and for now, as you can see, for your latest information, your Microsoft Store has officially removed the TikTok application from the Microsoft Store, as you can see. So now what we can do is just close this and head over to any of your browser. And once you're inside your browser, just search in for TikTok. And once you search in for TikTok, just click on the first link. So once you click on the first link, make sure you are signed into your account as you are viewing this TikTok on a web. So once you do that, just click on this three dot icon over here at the top, and from over here just head over to apps. And as you can see, I've already downloaded TikTok from over here. So in your case, you'll get the option called install TikTok instead of open in TikTok. So once you do that, just click on that install TikTok, and it will take some seconds to install based on your internet connection. And once you do that, you can simply open the TikTok after being installed. So as you can see, it has been successfully opened in my TikTok application. So if you don't see your TikTok application on your desktop, you can just pin it to taskbar or just head over to the app settings from over here and just click on this create a desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the desktop shortcut has been successfully created, and you can just log in to your account and view the TikTok just like you used to on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.